Gala Games is preparing for a massive rally towards the upside, and in this video we are going to be discussing exactly that. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one we are going to be taking a look at Gala Games once again, because I believe that a massive push towards the upside is on its way and it's sooner than you think. So make sure you guys watch this entire video, and guys, if you are new, make sure you guys drop a like on this video and also subscribe, because that will be really appreciated. And we are getting closer and closer to 2000 subscribers, and it would really mean a lot to me if we could get to that before this month ends. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video and let me show you all the things which I'm talking about. If you want to make some serious money with crypto, my trade signal group is the best place for you to be. Right over here you can see the monthly recap for the month of April, and this includes all the profits which we had taken and which we had achieved in the month of April. Right over here you can see we took 12 trades in total, and our average win percentage was really high at about 100%. In here you can see we secure profits of about 189%, 303%, 182%, 237%, and the list goes on and on. If you want to make similar profits for yourself, make sure you guys check out the link to my trade signal group. It will be down in the description, and sign up as soon as possible. So guys, right over here I have the charts loaded up for Gala Games, and as you can see, or actually for those of you who are new, I just want to clarify that I believe that this price point right over here at about 0.015, I personally believe this was the bear market low for Gala Games for the previous bear market rally. From this moment onwards, we started forming this massive Elliott wave move, which includes 5 waves towards the upside. Now guys, as you can see that from this price point right over here, we pumped up in an Elliott wave 1, and this gave us returns of about 304%, which is actually really amazing. After this, we saw a wave to retracement, and we retraced by about 52%, which is really huge. But in reality guys, in crypto projects, especially in the altcoins, I personally believe that a 50% drop is nothing, because the amount of gains which we are able to get once the coin decides to pump is actually really amazing. I mean, if you guys think that this 3x is really good, just wait for the future, or just look at what had happened with Gala Games in the past times as well, where Gala pumped by about 10x, 15x in just a matter of 1 or 2 months, which is actually really amazing. Now guys, right now I believe that we are in this third Elliott wave towards the upside, and I have been mentioning this for the longest time on my channel, but I personally believe that the move towards the upside is not going to be in a straight line. We should be seeing at least 5 waves within this third wave as well to complete this Elliott wave massive structure in the wave 3. Now right now the problem which we are facing at this moment are these 2 resistance levels right over here. So the mega resistance level is located around a price of about 0.063, which we have only tested once in the wave 1. However guys, the resistance level which is forming a lot of problem for Gala Games is located around 0.050. As you can see right over here as well, we were seeing a massive rally towards the upside, but we saw that we got rejected from this level, and since then we have been into a downward sloping move. Right over here the same thing happened once again, and right over here the same thing happened once again as well. Now guys, let me tell you what's the difference between this move right over here and the difference between the past 2 times. Now guys, right over here as you can see that when we were basically at this resistance level, basically this was not the third wave towards the upside, but instead guys, this was the second wave towards the downside. So this is why we saw a massive dump, and that's why you can see that from this resistance level onwards we dumped up by about 40%, which is majority of the gains which people had got in this massive push towards the upside. Now right over here as well, as I mentioned previously as well, I personally believe that this massive Elliott wave is going to be having 5 waves towards the upside. So if we take the bottom of the second wave as the starting of the first wave, you can say this was just a one wave towards the upside, second wave towards the downside, and right now we are in this third wave towards the upside. Now guys, I personally believe that we are going to be breaking out of this resistance level really soon, because Gala is launching some crazy new updates as well, and if it goes in favor of Gala games, I can not really see any single reason why Gala won't be pumping even higher. Now the important resistance level, which, or say the important support level which we should not be breaking for Gala games, is located around 0.037. Now guys, if we break below this resistance level, I do believe that we are going to be finding some support at about 0.034. However guys, the likeliness of us going even down, and basically we could say that this third or say the second wave was never really over, which will be much higher than comparing it to a massive third wave towards the upside. This is the not most likely scenario. I personally believe that the bullish move towards the upside is the most likely scenario, because Gala is getting a version 2. A lot more bullish stuff has been coming out for Gala games in general, and the market sentiment is also towards the upside. Now guys, if I open the MACD and the RSI indicator, they are showing us something really good, and they are showing us something really bullish movements as well. So guys, right over here on the RSI, you can see that we are still in the oversold region, even though the MACD is forming some green candles. Now guys, RSI is located around the 40 or about 30ish range, which in my opinion, I personally believe we should be seeing a rally towards the upside for RSI, and I am just waiting for that update to play out. And when it does, I do expect that all of these indicators are going to be shifting towards the upside, and that is when a majority of the movement will be taking place for Gala games. Now guys, if we check out the MACD indicator right over here, you can see that this is going exactly like I had predicted in my last video as well. I mentioned to you all that even though we are getting these green candles, or say these lower green candles, we should still be expecting a move towards the upside, because the selling pressure is not something which we have been getting for the past couple of weeks, or say for the past couple of days now. As you can see, we saw two green candles which were bigger than this green candle right over here, which is a bullish news for Gala games in general, because people are willing to buy and people are still stacking up their Gala games in general. By the way guys, I'm sure you guys have heard in the beginning of the video, but if you guys want to make some serious money with crypto, make sure guys check out my trade signal group. The link to it will be down in the description. I posted my monthly recap for the month of April, which has been really successful for us in general, and all the members are really happy. I'm really happy, and everything is going perfectly fine as well. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys sign up as soon as possible. The link to my trade signal group will be down in the description. As always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video. Peace out.